Okay, so now we will go to the last collection, that is dictionary. And from the beginning, one point that I have given the clarity, the Python list and Python dictionary. So this two collection is very important for data analytics. So it is a such collection. It is a such collection containing 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 pairs. So containing pairs. So in a pair, one is key and one is value. So dictionary is little bit different from other three collection: list, set and tuple. So dictionary is a such collection which is containing pair, registration number colon 101. So this is a one pair. So we can say registration number is key and 101 is value. So if we will say it is a pair, so we can assign a group of pairs which is representing a dictionary. But here we assign pair within a curly bracket, okay. So within a curly bracket. So here duplicates are not allowed, and also insertion order is preserved. Duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates are not allowed. Insertion order is preserved. Okay. So duplicates are not allowed and insertion order is not preserved. We will see. So now I will go to my Jupyter notebook environment. So now I will create a new Python file, and so I will give my file name. Suppose let this is Python dictionary. So I will click on rename option. So now we will represent a dictionary first. Okay, suppose Python dictionary. Let my dictionary name is suppose car underscore info, car information. Let it. Suppose of first pair, suppose I will assign that is brand. Let this is Maruti. Okay, Maruti. Let this is one pair. Brand is a string value, Maruti is a string value, so I identified within a single quote. Then my second pair is model. Let model is Brezza. Okay. Then my third pair, suppose let it year. Suppose let my year is 2023. So let we have a dictionary. Let my dictionary name is car info. So I assigned three pair. This is one pair, brand colon Maruti, then model colon Brezza, year colon 2023. So if I will print car underscore info. Okay, so now I will hit run. You see, I got a dictionary. Okay, so this is a pair. Brand is key, Maruti is value. Similarly, model is key, Brezza is value, year is key, 2023 is value. So here there are three pairs. So the length of dictionary is 3. Length of dictionary is 3. len function, and dictionary name is car info. So I will hit run. So I will get 3. Okay. So the number of pairs present in a dictionary. So we can say that is the length of a dictionary. So here in this context, we got the length of a dictionary is 3. Type, suppose if you will see what is the type, car info, DICT. If I will hit run, so I will get DICT. So this DICT, this word is representing that car info is a what? Dictionary. car info is a dictionary. Clear? So I hope you got the clarity. Then to access, how to access a particular data item, how to access a particular data item. To access a particular data item, definitely I will go through the what key value. Suppose if I want to get Brisa, then I will go through the corresponding key. I will go through the corresponding key. So that part we can write. So to access a particular data item, to access a value, okay, how to access a value? Let my dictionary name is what car info. Okay, so of, so within what square bracket, so I will specify the key, that is model. So now I will hit run, so I will get the value. So if I want to get a value, so I will go through the corresponding, what key. Apart that, also there is another way that we can access a particular data item. So there is a built-in function, get function. My dictionary name is car info, okay, dot get function, and within parenthesis, so I will specify what the key. So key is model. So now I will hit run, so I got a Brisa. So to access a particular value, so there are two approaches, there are two ways that we can get. Directly I can write dictionary name of what key. So key I will specify, otherwise by invoking get function within parenthesis, that I will specify the key. Then we will go to the next point. To get all keys, okay, to get all keys, for that we have to call, there is a keys function, car info dot keys function. There is a built-in function that you remember. So which function? Keys function. Now I will hit run. You see, to get all keys, so brand is key, model is key, and year is key. So you remember this point. So to get all keys, so we have a built-in function, so that is keys function that we have to invoke. So that is keys function we have to invoke, then we will get all keys. Similarly, we will, if I want to get all values, so what we have to do? So for this we have a values function, dictionary name car info dot values. So values function, you see. Now I will hit run. So you see all values that I got. Maruti is value, Brisa is value, 2023 is value. A list of values is coming to the picture in the form of output. Similarly, if I want to get all pairs, so there is a function, items function. If I want to get all pairs, so there is a function. So dictionary name is car info dot, there is a function, you remember, items function. Items is a built-in function. Now I will hit run, so I will get all pair. This is one pair, brand comma Maruti, and this is another pair, model comma Brezza, and this is another pair, year comma 2023. So this function, keys function returning all keys, values function returning all values, items function returning all pairs. So after knowing the concept of items function, so here, so we will know how to retrieve all the pairs from dictionary. So retrieve all pairs from dictionary. Retrieve all pairs from dictionary. So using for loop, that already we have studied in list, in set, and tuple, but here that was for one data item, so that's why I was taking a single loop variable, but here two things. One is key and one is value. So for key, I will take one variable, and for value, I will take another loop variable. So that's why I will write for x comma y in. Okay, so why I took two variables, two loop variables x and y. So one for key and one for value. For x comma y in dictionary name is car info dot items function. Okay, so currently we knew. So what is the purpose of items function? This and this is the output, all the pairs. So now print x comma y, print x comma y. You see, so as per the for loop mechanism, so first pair brand comma Maruti will come to x comma y. Okay, so this is the output of what is the output of car info dot items function, this all pairs. Now the first pair will come to x comma y, so the body will execute brand, then Maruti will print. After executing the body, the control will go to the next pair. So model comma Brisa, now it will come to x comma y. So when a pair here, it is assigning to loop variable, that we know that loop body will execute. So print x comma y. So the value of x is model, value of y is Brisa, it will print in this way. So after executing the body, the control will go to the next pair, that is year comma 2023. So now that pair will come to x comma y, then again body will execute. So year comma 2023 will print. So after that, the control will go to the next pair, but there is no next pair. So when the control is finding there is no next pair, so at that time the loop will terminate. So when the loop is terminating, so at the time that we will get all pairs. You see, now I will hit run. You see, I got brand Maruti, model Brisa, year 2023. So in this way that we can get, or we can retrieve all pairs from dictionary. So I hope you got clarity. Then we will go to the next point. To change value, I want to change value. I want to update value, to change value. Suppose year value is 2023. I have taken my car in 2022. Unfortunately, I have written 2023. So I want to change that value 2023 to 2022. So directly, there are two approaches. So directly I can write dictionary name car info of year equals to directly updated value, that we can write now print car info. So directly the value 2023 will update into 2022. So now I will hit run. You see, so 2022 will update. 2023, it will update to 2022. So directly dictionary name, then of key equals to updated value. After that, so there is a built-in function. There is another approach that we can update. Dictionary name is car info dot, there is a function, update function. Also within update function, exact pair, suppose we will write, so that is year, okay, year colon, let's 2021. Again to the value 2022 will update into 2021, car underscore info. Now you see, I will hit run. So I will get again 2022, this value updated into 2021. So these two approaches that we will use for updating, for changing the value. Then we will move forward. Then we will go to the next point. I want to add a new pair. I want to add items, to add a new pair. So it is possible that we can add a new pair. How? Dictionary name car info. Okay, suppose I want to add a new pair, that is color. So I can write key is color directly equals to, suppose I will put the value related to white. Okay, so now what is the value of car info? Now I will hit run. So you see, so pair added, but at the end. Okay, so in this way that we can add a new pair. Suppose my pair is white, color white. Then copy clear that person, that point, that also we can do that. Then we will go to the remove operation. If I want to perform the copy operation, let car underscore detail, let it, I will make another dictionary, car underscore detail, car info dot copy function. So what is the value of car underscore detail? Now I will hit run, so I will get, so all pair of car info dictionary will copy into car detail. So if I want to release all pairs, so car detail dot, there is a clear function. So now I will print car detail, so I will get empty dictionary. You see, now I will hit run, so I got empty dictionary. Within curly bracket there is nothing. Then we will go to the remove operation. Remove operation, how to remove a data item from a dictionary, remove a pair from a dictionary. So here in dictionary there are so many approaches that we can perform what remove operation. So here first built-in function that we have, that is pop function. So dictionary name, suppose car info dot pop, pop function already. So we all have acquainted with pop function. We have seen in list, we have seen in set. So here also we saw in dictionary, but little bit different here. Pop function taking an argument. So that argument is what, which pair that I want to remove. Suppose I want to remove year 2021. So the corresponding what key that I will specify. So now car info, you see, now I will hit run. So year 2021, that pair removed from our dictionary. So here pop function taking an argument. So there is another built-in function that we have, especially dictionary have. So that is pop item function. Dictionary name car info dot, the function name is pop item function. Here pop item function taking no argument. So then print car info. Okay, so pop item function having no argument, but this function removing, you remember the last inserted data, last inserted pair. So now you see, I will hit run. So you see color white, last pair it is removing. Or what, pop item is a built-in function like pop function. So it is removing last pair, it is removing last pair, it is removing last pair. Then apart pop and pop item function, so there is another keyword del. Using del keyword also we can remove a pair from a dictionary. Okay, so how? Del dictionary name is car info, dictionary name is car info, and if I want to what, remove any pair, so corresponding key that I will specify. Suppose I want to remove model colon brazier, then print so car info, and you see I will hit run, and model colon brazier that removed. Okay, so this del keyword also can delete the dictionary completely. If you will write del dictionary name car underscore info. Okay, then after that if you will write print car info, so definitely it will give the error, because before that, so if you will write print car info, so it will give the error, because before that entire dictionary will delete. So using del keyword, so we can remove a pair, and using del keyword also we can remove the whole dictionary. So I hope you got the clarity. This is all about so many built-in functions, and we will go to the last point. So here we saw in a pair, one is key and one is value. but you remember it is possible a key can contain a list of values. Okay, so in this context, in dictionary, context, so a key can contain a list of values. Suppose let my dictionary name is suppose employee underscore detail. Okay, suppose my first pair is employee ID. This is my key. Okay, so we can take in this way list of values 100, 101, 102. Suppose, so a key can contain a list of values. Suppose we will write next is employee name, so can contains a list of values John. Okay, so then Akshay, then Rahul. Okay, so it is possible that a key can contain a list of values. So friend, my dictionary name is employee friend. So my dictionary name is employee underscore detail. Now I will hit run. So you see, just so we got a dictionary, but employee ID is key, employee name is key, but this key containing a list of values. This key employee name containing a list of values. Okay, so this is all about dictionary and it is important for data analytics. So from this four collection, list and dictionary, this point again quite repeatedly that I am saying, list is important, dictionary is important, and this is all about dictionary.